All right, so we have received this steamer from dyna-living. It was sent to me to do an honest review. So today we're actually gonna start with an unboxing. So let's just dive in here and see what comes with your purchase. First up, instruction manual. This looks to be like a mesh bag that you can put your different parts in. Now this, guys, I'm really loving this. So these are gloves to protect your hands. Now, if you've used a steam cleaner, this is brilliant because, this is brilliant because you don't want to burn yourself, and it also helps, you know, protect from any chemicals or whatnot that you're using. Oh, they have little hearts on them. My hand is usually a medium in a women's glove, so it looks like there's a fair chunk of room in here, although they feel like a really nice fit on them, like they're not going to come off, so that's nice. This guy is an extension tube. It is 8.66 inches long. Okay. Here she is. So here is the unit. Let's see where the plug-in is. There's an on-off switch, a handle. You fill your reservoir, settings button. Okay, and then it comes with this hose, which is 7.87 inches long. All right, so I'm already liking this because the other steam cleaner I have is kind of like a handheld, and then it has like this optional hose, but it's not, it doesn't have like a really great handle. So this guy I could see like going around and cleaning stuff with, and then you've got a really nice long hose. Look at that. That is great. Super, super functional. All right, and then on the end here, we have the copper nozzle. Power cord, that's important. The power cord is 8.2 feet long. That's nice. Okay, so that's pretty long. So you'll be able to get around the house with an 8+ foot cord. And then a few more attachments. The first attachment is this little plastic brush, which is good for like scrubbing. But then there's also a copper brush. And then I think this would be really good for like the shower, especially like, you know how when your shower is kind of like textured, like the bottom of your shower or the shower walls. So yeah, this is a large round brush. That is it. That is the whole package for the dyna-living portable steamer. Again, it's a handheld steamer. And next up, we are going to take a look in a different video on how it works, like how fast it heats up. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and hit the next video.